Well, recently I was asked by one of our viewers about the Rada Cutlery spatula, and you see these in videos, or you see them in my videos all the time, and so I wanted to share this with you. This actually is 3 3/8 of an inch long, the spatula part, and it's 2 inches wide, and it's angled so you're able to get up underneath food real easy, like these eggs, you know, and you're able to flip them. You can actually even use the side of it to kind of cut, but it's slotted here also to where if you really needed to do some stirring of something, say you were mixing up scrambled eggs or something, you could easily do that and different things. But I'm making breakfast today for me and my wife. I already have hers made, but I'm using my griddle here, and I've got some toast that I'm actually toasting, and you can take your spatula and just flip it real easily, just like that. I mean, these are great. I really love these things, and being stainless steel like this, of course, also the handle now, I want to say this about it, is actually aluminum, and so you don't want to put these in a dishwasher. You want to be sure and wash them by hand, and so that's a cool thing about that. I really like these. Matter of fact, I like them so much I've got 2 of them. I use them all the time, and I need to flip this egg here real quick. But look how easy that just gets up underneath there to do an over easy egg. And so they get right up underneath food. You could use this to get up underneath a piece of cake if you were cutting a cake, or if you were flipping cookies or something like that. It'd be handy to do that, to get up underneath them. And also, one great thing about the Rada spatula is it's American made. Rada has been in business. They're from Iowa, Waverly, Iowa, and they've been making cutlery products since 1948. And so they're well established, and I mean they stand behind their product. And I've been real pleased with our spatula. We use them all the time. And so I'm going to take this. I'm going to go ahead and just lightly toast this, if I can pick it up, and put my cheese on here, get my egg on here. I'm going to put her egg on her plate, get mine on here, shut these burners off, and there I have an egg sandwich. And we've used our Rada spatula.
You said you flip cookies? I didn't know anybody that flips cookies.
So anyway, we wanted to share that with you. We had, like I said, we had one of our viewers ask about our little spatula, and we wanted to share this Rada Cutlery spatula.